Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 3, chapter number 5, probability. Question number 4. Practice set 5.2, question number 4. Form a ray, road safety committee of two boys and 2 girls. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. Okay, form a road safety committee. Okay, and now here the conditions are given: committee of 2 boys, committee of 2 girls, and committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. Okay, now how many boys are there? 2 boys and 2 girls. Okay, and the committee of what? 2. So committee may contain 2 boys, suppose 2 boys B1 B2 and 2 girls G1 G2. Then committee of 2 boys means B1 B2, and then committee of 2 girls G1 G2, and committee of 1 boy and 1 girl is equal to B1 G1 or what B1 G2 or B2 G1 and B2 G2. So therefore here the sample space is this B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1 and B2 G2. So sample space, this is a sample space. Okay. Then try to understand event. Okay, the outcomes satisfying particular condition are called favorable outcomes. The outcomes satisfying particular condition. If particular condition is there, then the outcomes are the outcomes of what event. The outcomes satisfying particular conditions are called favorable outcomes. So, a set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is an event. Okay. A set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space means from given sample space, set of favorable outcomes, it is an event. So event is a subset of sample space. Events are generally denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D and so on. For example, if 2 coins are tossed and A is the event of getting at least 1 tail, then the favorable outcomes are as A even, set right down, so at least one tail, so TT possible, at least one, no, therefore TT possible, TH possible and HT possible. Okay, so how many points are there? 1 2 3. So number of elements in the event A is denoted by NA and is equal to 3. Okay, now try to understand some example from practice set 5.3, page number 121. Okay, question number 1. Write sample space S and number of sample point Ns for each of the following experiments. Okay. Also write event A, B, C in the set form and write NA, NB, NC. Okay. Question number 1. One die is rolled. Event A, even number on the upper face. Event B, odd numbers on the upper face. And event C, prime number on the upper face. Now try to understand solution. Solution. So random experiment is what? One die is rolled. So therefore sample space S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are what? Possible outcomes. And therefore n of S is equal to 6. Now then event A. Even number on the upper face. So even number on the upper face means A is what? This is a what space? Sample space. This is sample space and this is a subset. So 2 from this you select 2, 4, 6. These are what? Even numbers. So 1, 2, 3. N of A is equal to 3. Event B, odd numbers on the upper face. So what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. So therefore how many are there? 3 are there. N of B is equal to 3. Event C, prime number on upper face. So C, set right down. Prime number 2 is a prime number, remember. 2, 3, 5. So how many are there? 3. So P of C is equal to N of C is equal to 3. Okay. So today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.